Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to install any game to a different disk on your hard drive or SSD for that matter. Say you have a 250 gig SSD. In my case, I do. And I want to install all my games to my hard drive. I've installed the majority of them. I actually have Grand Theft Auto 5 installing to the 500 gig WD Western Digital hard drive in my computer at the moment as well. So what you want to do is just find the game you want to install. As you can see, I have this. So for just the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and pause Grand Theft Auto 5. And then I'm going to go ahead to Half-Life. You just find the game you want. You're just going to click the install button. And by default, it's going to pop up saying here. It's just going to install it to your C drive here. So what you want to do is click the drop-down menu. Find the disk you want. So if you need to, you can go to your File Explorer. If you have multiple hard drives like I do, I have a YouTube hard drive for my YouTube files and stuff. And the games drive, it looks like I need to get another game drive, but you just find it and look at the letter. I have D for that example, and then you can just drop down and go to D. And you're also allowed to make a folder. In this case, I can't because I already have a folder there, and it's going to be under Steam Games. Because as you can see on here, I have Steam Games. I have Fallout 3 Blizzard games. I had Destiny 2 here, but that don't run. But yeah, so I have Steam Games here, and then you can just click Next. It's going to create the local files, blah, blah, blah. It's going to install it. But in this case, I have Grand Theft Auto 5 installing, so it's not going to over there install. So that is how you install a game onto a different disk. If you liked the video, please drop a like. If you did not like the video, please drop a dislike. Very short tutorial. This is going to start doing because I have a job now. So I'm just going to try to do these short tutorials for you. If you guys have any ideas for tutorials just, put it in the comments below. See you guys next video, and peace out.